Good morning again, guys. Until now, guys, nobody catching the talakitok. Okay. Until now, still waiting. Wait si Mama to bite the bait for Papa. Okay. But my rod until now, I not yet fix it because I something wrong my what do you call this one, my line. Okay, pasensya na kayo sa nangyari sa una kong video, but this time even this one short, I'm still okay, but continuous fishing ngayon. Hanggang ngayon wala pang kumugat na talakitok. Okay, after this one uwi na rin ako. Okay, parang nahinaan ako ng loob ngayon dahil nawala yung isang video ko. Okay, maglakad-lakad muna ako, guys, kabila. Hanggang dito, mga iba naghihintay pa rin isang magkagat yung linya nila. Okay, guys, sa ngayon andito pa rin siguro ang oras, alas 10 na rin. Wala pa rin siyang nahuli na talakitok. Yung sa akin naman, hindi ko na ayos yung reel and rod ko dahil yun na nga, masamang loob ko dahil sa nangyari sa akin nga video this morning. That one is a good video, guys, 34 minutes, and that one again I'm losing. Okay, I don't know again. I'm trying again. See, maybe that guy is catching. See, look. By the way, where's my car today? All right. See. There. Already bite or what? Talakitok. See. Okay, mukhang catching already, guys. And another guys also. See, I wish I catch today. See? Mukhang may nahuli na. Tanggalin nyo muna yung linya nyo para hindi magsasabit. Hindi magsabitan. See? See, bakbak. See, guys, look. Oh, wala. Ayun. Hindi mo mahatak eh. Pagi yun. Picturean mo. Ito. Guys, look at that guy. Mama, Papa, really fast. See, Papa continues trying to Mama is very big, si Papa is very small. Let's go, Papa! Take energy! That's your life! That's your life to fight to Mama! Mama, fight to Papa! Hurry, hurry! Ayun! Ayun! Si Mama! And look at si Papa! Guys! This time, the man versus the sea! Guys, look si Papa, guys! And si Mama in the sea! Come on! Fight, Mama! Fight!
Paborin mo.
Don't get the chance to Papa!
Baka mamulan yun.
Puta, lakitok yan, bro.
Hindi. Pagi yun. Pagi.
Pagi. Ah. Fight your life, Mama! Say, Papa, back up, Papa! Say, look at si Papa, guys. Look at si Papa, guys. Right, Papa! Come on, Papa! Come on, Papa! Papa! Come on! And si Mama, Papa. There, si Mama continues to fight to Papa. Huh? See, look. There you go, Mama. Papa, I follow you also. See, look, si Papa, guys. Papa, fight, Papa.
Iwagan.
Papa, follow, Papa. Papa, si Papa also another Papa following to you. Let's go, Papa. Let's go, Papa. See, Papa, fight again. Si Mama already tired. Dito, papunta dito. Alright, Papa. See, look, guys, si Papa. Almost matay already. Fight, Papa.
Pagi ata.
Ha? Pagi? You don't see it. You don't see it. There. I see already. Si Mama. I see already. Fight, Papa. Fight, Papa. Fight. Fight, Papa. There's Mama. There, guys. Look, si Mama. He's coming. Look, si Mama. But look at si Papa, guys. See? Look si Papa. He tired almost 20 minutes, guys, to fight si Mama. Kayang-kaya. Mama, fight your life to Papa. There. See? Gugumo niya yun siya. See, look. Oh, it's a big stingray, man. Guys, it's a big stingray. But back to Mapa. Guys. Pagi ba?
Pagi.
Hirap si Papa. Guys, look si Papa, guys.
Talakitok yan. Dito na.
Sige, lapit mo para maano lang.
Pagi git.
Guys. Look at si Papa, guys. Lanya ka. Let's go. How are you, sir?
Tired.
Yan na. Ay na. Ay, laki.
Putulin mo.
Ha?
Putulin mo doon sa dulo.
Saka wala kang pen, biting.
Cards yan na yun.
Pare.
Yung sinalang mo? Oo.
Pagi ba?
Pagi. Ha?
Di, lapit mo dyan para mabigyan natin dyan.
Pagi.
Pagi?
Tumurok ba? Tumurok? Oo.
Guys, look at that guy, guys. Look si Papa, another puppy, guys. See the guys, stingray? Oh yeah, stingray.
Talakitok kanina pa lang.
Pagi o shark? Oh! Karga na sa pickup yan. Sarap eh. Si?
Lumapad lang.
Si? Si look guys, guys.
Gunting.
Si.
Gunting. Gunting.
There, guys. See? See, look these people now, guys. Huh? See? Alright.
Naramdaman ko na pagkat buwantes kayo, hihiwain kayo na pagtamaktan niya.
See, guys. See, I told guys, it's a talakitok already, that guy. Yeah, I want to take picture of this guy. Whoa! Look out, guys! Look out, guys! He's a big, big stingray, guys. See? Oh. Oh, hoy! Page! It's stingray!
Coconut milk.
Alright! See, look at the... Oh. See, look guys. Putulin mo na lang sa ano. Kasi yung buntot sir, huwag lumat sa buntot sir ha. Buntot delikado. Yan na. Ayun oh, bong, putang delikado. Alright. Bye-bye mama. Bye-bye mama, please. I need talakitok mama. Not you mama. Okay? Because look at the face of papa. It's very tired already. See? Alright, papa. Thank you, papa. You're not lucky day, you papa. See you next time, papa. 100%. Guys, look at si Roski, guys. Don't forget this guy, guys, okay? Guys, today, only si Mama Stingray. Yeah. But si Papa, guys, is very small. That's why very tired also to catch si Mama. Okay? Okay, guys? At least I have a new video. I'm sorry that the first video I'm losing again, guys. Okay? And then this time I want to shout out everybody. Please, I shout out to Mr. Omar Baste in Silang Canoa and Roy Ortiz in Silang Canoa also, and Mr. Henry Gabriela and Lance de la Cruz and Torres family, and also si Ben Camacho in the housing, guys, and si Mr. Isias also, guys. Okay, but I don't know where si Papa now. She's run away because she's very tired. You see, look that, guys. She's drinking the water. Okay, guys, and don't forget the BB channel, guys, to subscribe. And look si Papa. The big stingray. Look at the sun. Okay. Almost 20 minutes, bro, or 10 minutes to fight that one. How many pounds your line, bro? 100 pounds? 80 pounds? See? Yeah, see? At least, guys, si Mama already go, Mama Stingray. Going already. And I wish next time si Papa Gay, si kita lalaki to. Okay? Guys, don't forget to subscribe also si Ilocano, si Vlog, at si Ilocano, si Cebuana Vlog, and si Miss Boy. Okay? Guys, thank you for watching. And you want to see another video for Papa? Papa, how are you? Until now, hindi makahinga. Ay, very tired to cast that one. At least he released already that stingray. Si Mama Stingray, he released already. Okay guys, thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel, okay? Thank you, thank you! This is Saipan again! Family Hunter Derby in Saipan! I love Saipan! Thank you to watch my video. Please subscribe me, Papa!